Hello and welcome to Victor Shamagi. In this video, we're going to look at DaVinci Pro or DaVinci Resolve. And what we want to do is to be able to dictate the various cuts that occurs within the video clips so that we could use it here, whether either for color grading for any other thing. But we just want to dictate those scenes, any cuts that have occurred in this video. Now, this is a one single clip that I brought in from Camtasia Studio. Either you've done yours in CapCut or you've done yours in Premiere Pro, any of the editing software, and you bring it in, it's going to be a single clip. So if you want to have it splitted so that you can use it individually here, you can do that. So to do that, I'll just go up to timeline here. Once you have a DaVinci, basically this is your editing tab, your edit tab. So you go up to timeline and you will see dictate scene cut. So you click on it. So it's going to begin to dictate the scene by analyzing and all of that. So it's showing an incredibly dangerous time here, like 5 hours, 53 minutes, 38 seconds. But we're going to just allow it to do its thing. And once it's done, we'll get back. So by this, if you check, we will see that they are cut here. This is a clip on its own, you can see. This is another clip on its own, and so on and so forth. So this is how you can dictate scenes and then cut them. You're not cutting them, it does that automatically using the improved technology. I think I would say it's AI or whatever. So basically this is how you can dictate scene in DaVinci Pro. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.